Hey guys, look at me. Do you guys like the snow?
No, I don't.
You don't? Why not?
Because it involves more work for me.
What kind of work for you?
Shoveling the driveway.
Did you ever do that?
Yes, I've done it, and it's freezing cold.
I don't think I have. Hey Liam,
Yeah?
do you like the snow?
Yeah. I hate
Why?
it. Shortcut.
Hey, let me. We can make a snowball. Do you want to make a snowball? Let's fix your head.
Make
Make
a snowball, Daddy.
Yes. Do you want to make a snowball, Aiden?
You make it, Gary. I left my...
Your gloves?
Yeah.
Go get them.
You help me, Dad.
Go get them.